Hi viewers, how are you? My name is Rashmi Malapur Jaswal. I'm going to read a few lines from the book Gitanjali by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, and this is an introduction done by Y.B. Yeats. I read Rabindranath every day. To read one line of his is to forget all troubles of the world. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, I come to my book, which is called as Positive Sutra, Life Says Never Give Up. Sanity is always at risk. When a psychiatric patient wishes to live a normal life, the challenge is not only about being accepted, but it's a struggle of facing hostility and lack of empathy. It's okay if you suffer from physical ailment, but if you are challenged with a mental one, it's unacceptable. You are either branded as mad or weak, or you are simply a nuisance. So, guys, why am I reading all of this to you today? Because for a hell lot of people, this was content. There were books, there were journals, there were magazines, they were all in print. But today the scenario has changed. All of this has come online for you as a reader. So, along with the writer, there has been a concept called content writer. What is a content writer? For a lot of people, content writing is just picking up information from here and there and just putting it in a nice format, a nice rephrase, and present it to the audience. No, you're sadly mistaken. That is not content writing. Content writing is presenting your unique ideas to the reader so that you hook the attention of the reader and he or she reads your article right till the end. For this, research is the base. Research is the base of all writing. You need to read a lot. You need to read when a topic comes to you as a content writer, you need to read about that topic. You need to understand it. You need to put your own insight. Also, it's not necessary that if you're writing about only one subject like leadership, you know something about leadership, that is good. But you need to know something more about leadership, and that is maybe you need to know the leaders, the political leaders, the business leaders, entrepreneurs, motivational life stories. You can pick up information from somewhere, from all places, and you can put it right at the beginning. You can make a beautiful article in a conversational way and you can present it to your audience. So, remember, content writing is not only about rephrasing and picking up information from here and there, it is presenting unique content to your audience in the most unique way. That's how you are going to get audience on your website. I'm a content writer, I'm a blogger, and a poetess too. You can get in touch with me if you need some content writing services or blogging services. My email ID is rashmieye@gmail.com. I'm also associated with HemWorld, which is a digital marketing company. You can get in touch with them. They are based in Pune. Thank you so much.